Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to post split screen videos on Instagram. So this is very easy and quick. So first of all, you will tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen and we will choose reels. So I will tap on plus here and I will choose reels here, and after choosing the reel here, you can see here we have this video layout option. I will tap on this and I will tap on the change grid option. So we have currently like these three options here, like on top of each other, the TikTok style, and then on top of each other but three videos. So I will actually choose this one, and first it will record this and then it will record this. So I will actually record this video here, and now it is like now asking me to record this one here. So I will record this one here. So now as you can see that we have recorded like these both videos here, and it is playing at the same time on top of each other. Okay, so this is a very cool feature from Instagram Reels. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.